Talking now.
Okay.
What was going on?
I found a problem that I entered all the tribal hunt permits.
Example A. Okay, go ahead.
And,
Okay.
in this system, you know how they asked me to enter the data of all the sales that were made on that side into here?
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
I came across a problem. What did I do? Oh, it's in there. Complementary fishing and hunting is not in here.
Oh, okay.
There's no button. There's no button for it. And
Complimentary,
also,
is that like
that's free.
one that the Harold had issued? Or who issued that one?
Me or her. I mean,
Okay.
who made the sale on the comp cash?
Yeah,
or,
who authorized it?
It's always been in there.
Oh,
on
over
that
here?
side.
What are those given for?
For people who are over 55.
Oh.
They get a free permit. They get to hunt for free and fish for free.
Oh, you have to make a permit for that.
Okay.
I'll show you how to do that.
Okay. And then also, there's no button for an annual tribal member hunting and fishing, the combination.
You have to make it.
It's in there. It's in the admin side. It's not on the...
In the software?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
can't find it anywhere. Do you want me to just delete it? Delete what I was saying, or...
Just tell her you're working through this. Is this for
Save
her?
as draft. Yeah. I was letting her...
Okay. Yeah, send it to her, but after we have her meeting. Okay, now let's go through each problem.
Okay, wait, let me exit.
Oh, it timed out, yeah. Did you reload the software? Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Remember it?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give it's your connection. Okay.
Nothing.
Show me on your admin. Okay, go to your admin.
And this side?
Yeah.
It won't let me enter into the
It's typing up on top. So you need to type down here.
It won't let me enter it into that one. I have to go in this way every time I go into the admin side.
Hold on. Okay, let's close this first.
Oh, wrong side.
Okay, it's right.
It's...
Okay, let's close that. Okay, now watch this. Is this the right site or no? You're saying it won't let you in?
Yeah. See, it says test page. That's the one where none of my information is entered in.
Okay, go ahead and go admin. And 1, 2, 3. Was that what you use? Oops.
I go into there.
No. Is that the information that you try to use? Is admin 1, 2, 3?
On this one?
Yeah.
See, it's right there. Complimentary.
Modify.
Right there.
Okay, active. You have it under fishing. Can you click both? Okay, hold on. All the information is correct. Okay.
And then the other one is...
You've got a lot in there. 14 pages in there.
The first page, I think it's all, that can be all deleted. It's not on here.
Go ahead and add it in.
It's got no commission number. The complimentary is not on this, so it's got no commission number.
Go ahead and make that.
Or
put NA. And then you have to make note of it, and then that's a decision Harold will have to make. You know, maybe they'll give another commission number for it.
I can't think off the top of my head what it is.
15, isn't it? How
What's-
much is annual? Is it
I
fishing?
think what's the annual hunting and fishing permit price in that system? Is it?
The trouble number?
Yeah. Is it 20?
20, 25. 20, but then with the system it's 25.
So it's 20?
Yeah.
Base part, yeah. For both.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good. 5 and 15? Something like that.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
10 for fishing and 10 for hunting and 5 plus the sea stamp, so total is 25.
25. Whoa, that's a better deal.
I wouldn't know what to write in special.
Annual hunting fishing permit. Member.
Units all.
Yeah. And then hunting and fishing. Yep. That's good. Okay.
And then the Javelin archery, did you guys fix that?
Yes, it should. He works on his side, so we'll go through that problem too. So go ahead and shrink that one.
Okay, because
Okay. Actually, log out of that.
out of this one.
Yeah. There's the other one. You can close it. Yeah, go ahead, log out. And then close. Log out of that too. Go to main menu and then hit your red button. Then open it back up.
On this one?
No, yeah, that one. Or does it do it on a single?
No.
Okay. You'll log in as a
Okay,
different thing.
member annual hunting and fishing is 25.
I can modify it.
It's 25.
25.
I thought it was 20,
Yeah,
but
it
just
is.
for annual, just the hunting by itself is 20.
Not a member.
Yeah. That's
Are you gonna do the Javelin one?
or which one did you want me
Go
to
ahead,
do?
go ahead, go ahead. Is that the one, that's the first issue that you have? So explain what you wouldn't do now.
I would enter all of this and
It's
then
just,
do you?
yeah, exactly.
A's.
102763. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Was that always like that?
No.
Oh, isn't that nice? So you can click the year and the month instead of going
What was the date?
27?
1, 2. You're what?
6'4". I'm shrinking every day.
How much do you weigh?
200.
And then, see how I selected the actual start date is February the 18th,
Yeah.
2012. And then I click this, and this is what it tells me every single time.
Okay, so that's, go ahead and point at it. That's the problem.
Yeah, this is the problem. This date and this date, it starts on this one. That's the actual start date. It's from,
Between
it's the February.
Oh, it's throwing an error. Okay, so if you chose this date, 120.
I just go with February the 11th.
But what if you went to 12? Yeah, 11 or 12.
I've been entering the 11th until you guys fix it, and then I'll go back and
And-
re-enter.
So what is this as far as that's what's going to print up on the? Okay,
Then
go ahead.
it's a-
Go ahead
it's
and
a-
finish it.
And then it'd be a void permit because the dates aren't right. They would get cited.
For now, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you hold the? Do they want you to print the permit and send it out, or are you sending out other permits that are pre-sales, or they have to come here and pick it up? So in other words, we still have time to fix it, right?
Yeah, you
Okay.
still can fix it because
The
we're
thing
not
to fix it.
officially using this yet.
Right. Oh, okay.
He wanted us to the minute he got this box of permits.
Yeah.
But I told him I'm still having problems with this.
Okay. Good.
With the Javelina, and I don't know how to do a closeout.
Okay. I'll show you that quick. Go ahead.
And then, other than that, that was the only thing.
Actually,
and,
there's no reason for you really not to proceed, because those things can be fixed as you go.
And then, what else was it?
Go ahead and finish this one and
Okay.
see how it prints. Have you been printing permits at all?
Because these are, well, the ones that I'm entering were already sold. I didn't know that's the thing. All I was told to enter the data.
Go ahead and print all those up too. Print them up as examples of what has already been sold, so you have a physical copy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And see, we're trying to test the printing, so you need to print. Wow. I didn't mean to do that. Okay.
And then on this one,
Uh-huh.
you have to log it in on this pad. I can't type it in because it'll say invalid username, invalid password.
Go ahead and speak to the camera again. Say it again and try it. Go ahead and show us and explain.
Because I sent you another email that said,
But just, yeah, go ahead and just tell the camera. Or just talk, because it'll...
Okay.
Did it work?
it worked. Earlier this morning, it wouldn't let me do that. On this,
Mm-hmm.
I sent you the email, and then after I logged out, I tried it one more time.
Yeah.
But I used the computer that was on the screen, and
Right.
then it worked. So that's how I've been doing it, was with the one that pops up.
Print. Print.
All that's
Right.
in here is white sheets.
Go ahead and